Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we make sure your hard-earned cash doesn't go to waste on products that belong in the trash. Today, we've got a showdown between two sky warriors, the TENSSENX GPS drone and the CHUBORY super enduring brushless motor drone. It's going to be a battle of the skies, folks. Grab your popcorn, because this is going to be more entertaining than your uncle's karaoke night. Let's start with the cameras. TENSSENX boasts a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustability. Reviewers love its ability to capture every glorious detail in ultra-high definition. On the flip side, CHUBORY comes in with a 2K HD camera that's also adjustable within 90 degrees and features a 130 degrees wide-angle lens. While it's decent, some reviewers noted that it might miss finer details compared to TENSSENX. Now, let's talk flight time. TENSSENX gives you up to 52 minutes with its 2 batteries. That's enough time to pretend you're a pilot and still have time to land safely. But hold the phone, CHUBORY steps in with not 1, not 2, but 3 upgraded batteries, giving you a whopping 84 minutes of flight time. Reviewers appreciated the extended flight time, making it perfect for longer sessions. Both drones come packed with features that would make even Iron Man jealous. TENSSENX has GPS auto-return, altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, and more. It practically flies itself, according to reviewers. CHUBORY, on the other hand, has optical flow positioning, altitude hold, follow me, 3D flips, and trajectory flight. Reviewers loved its versatility and the fun factor of 3D flips. Design-wise, both drones are foldable and come with carrying cases. TENSSENX is under 250 grams, saving you the hassle of FAA registration. It's lightweight and easy to carry around, say reviewers. Similarly, CHUBORY also weighs less than 249 grams and doesn't need registration. Plus, it's got that rugged design with upgraded composite materials, making it durable for those inevitable crashes, as noted by users. And now, TENSSENX will set you back $169. Reviewers found this price reasonable for the features it offers. CHUBORY, however, comes in cheaper at $149. Reviewers noted the cost-effectiveness, making it a budget-friendly option without compromising too much on features. Overall, reviewers find the TENSSENX GPS drone to be an excellent choice for beginners, offering high-quality performance and images, valuable features, and extended battery life. The CHUBORY super enduring brushless motor drone is praised for its easy operation, stability, and excellent camera quality, though some users experienced issues with control and hovering. So smart buyers, which drone will you choose? The ultra-clear, GPS-savvy TENSSENX or the super-enduring, budget-friendly CHUBORY? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another epic showdown. Until next time, remember to buy smart. Product links are in the description.